Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. So let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, guys. So we'll be picking a few cards for your general energies, Gemini. Then we will pick few cards for your love energies, and we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your love energy, guys. I'll be picking 3 cards for your love energies. So let's turn the cards here. 4 of Cups in reverse. High Priestess in reverse. 6 of Pentacles. I hope you can see these cards. King of Cups. A Hierophant. Okay, guys. Gemini, these cards denote that you are having some kind of you are waiting for certain things. So maybe some details in your life. This may relate to your work situation, or it may be regarding this relationship also, guys. So you are paying a lot of attention to certain things, certain areas in your life, maybe in your work, certain projects that are coming, some new projects or some new collaborations, whatever it is, and you are taking your time to decide because you may not be knowing certain details about those new assignments that are coming your way, guys. And you are feeling great inspiration in your heart, guys, regarding certain things. Whatever you want to do in your day-to-day activities, you are feeling inspired. And maybe for some of you all, you may be dealing with people who are there, who are into some kind of art, maybe a artist, singer, a dancer, or maybe in some profession like a doctor or something, or they may be involved in some kind of science. So that is also the energy here. So they may be a person of some creative intelligence, guys. That is also the energy here. And certain things that you are really passionate about, you really want to do those things, that is coming your way today, guys. So you are feeling that passion, inspiration to do certain things. You may be helping people also, or you may get visitors, maybe this person or somebody, they may be coming to you with gifts, or this may be a new person coming to you with gifts and with the proposals, and you are thinking what you need to do in that particular situation. You are waiting. So those something new, something which you are really passionate about is coming your way. You are thinking clearly because you don't have that deep understanding about that person or about that situation. So you are waiting for that understanding, you are giving time. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So let us see what is your energy. What are these cards for your love energies? The Lovers in reverse. Eight of Cups in reverse. The Hangman. Gemini, the energy with these cards is that you feel this relationship or this person is immature. Maybe you have met them what to say only a few days back, and they are coming with deep commitment and proposal, so you feel your decisions are immature or their decisions are immature, and you do not want to jump into that what to say a stern commitment or a strong commitment, so you are waiting, but this person feels that you are not accepting them, you are not accepting their love, so they may be upset or angry with you, and they may stop talking to you, or not taking your calls, not they may be avoiding you because you are not accepting their decision in this relationship. You may feel this is an immature decision to go into the next step at such an early time, so early in your relationship, and you are having that what to say you are right on the wall, you do not know which way to go. This person is requesting you with this proposal, but you do not know what to do. Maybe this may be because of your past experiences. You do not want to jump to conclusions, and you don't want to jump into that what to say engagement or marriage without thinking clearly, without thinking deeply, so you may be taking time. So that is the energy with these cards, Gemini. So though this person has that great love and understanding with you, and you feel really happy and passionate about this relationship, there are a few things you want to think deeply and get a better understanding about, guys. So that is the reason that you are not readily accepting this new relationship or this new person, or maybe for some of you all it may be because of your past experience, maybe with your past person, certain situations that would have led to certain difficulties and stress, so you do not want to jump to conclusions, you just want to wait and think deeply to get a better understanding in this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Gemini. So let us see what is your love message, what your person feels about this connection or about you. You love me for what I am. So they feel you have a clear understanding about them, or you feel you have a clear understanding about them, guys. So that is the reason they may be coming with this proposal, even when they have known you only for a short while. They feel they know you forever. This may denote some kind of a karmic connection, karmic destiny. That is the reason they feel you are very familiar to them, guys. So that may be the reason that they are coming with this deep commitment and engagement. Okay, so that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. I hope this reading resonated. If it did, please like and comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, Gemini.